With this course, I've included a resource of a printable vision board. This vision board can be pinned anywhere or placed on your desk. You can look at this while you listen to your audio meditations in the morning, do your goal setter meditation, your affirmations, and look upon your vision board. You don't have to use this specific vision board. You can use any. You can create one, buy it, have it shipped to your home, a pre-made one with your desired photographs. But if you're using the one that I have added, then you will either take your favorite pen and you will write in what it is that you want under these sections of the vision board, or you will do what I've done here, and I've taken little clippings of things I want. You can tell the kind of things I had around my house because I had food and recipes. I want to focus on having smoothies and juices and eating salads, attracting in a lot of fresh, locally grown food right now. I also want a travel RV to be traveling by RV and vacationing out in nature. So either find clippings or magazines around your home you can use, or print out items that you want. The easiest way is going to be to print out items. Most of us don't have magazines lying around. I only had these few options. Other than this, I'm going to need to print things or write things on my vision board. Instead of using this vision board, there are websites and Etsy where you can order a vision board. You pick out the items that you want to use on your vision board. If it's a certain new car or a new house or vacationing somewhere, pick out your photographs and that company will mail you a printed one. If you want to do it old school like I did a decade ago, buy magazines or find magazines and create clippings from all of them and create a vision board here or a large poster board, and on that poster board tape everything it is that you want to envision. I personally found it was always super time consuming. The best way to do it was to get a group of girlfriends together and all bring magazines and do that. Today, magazines are so expensive and most of us don't have them. I found that making printouts is much easier, or writing in what I want. Do your goal setter meditation, look at your poster board or your printout while you do your meditation. This is not necessary to get what you desire, but it will definitely supplement it. Find images that are powerful to you.